जय माँ भारती समाचार अखिल ब्रह्मांड की भूत भविष्य वर्तमान के आई हार्टली वेलकम यू टू द PMA समाचार चैनल from the international world. Kuwait, officially the state of Kuwait, is a country in Western Asia situated in the northern edge of Eastern Arabia at the tip of the Persian Gulf. It borders Iraq to the north and Saudi Arabia to the south. India-Kuwait relations are bilateral diplomatic relations between the Republic of India and the state of Kuwait. The two countries share friendly ties. Kuwait houses a large expatriate Indian population and is the source for 10 to 12% of India's oil imports, while India is among the largest trade partners of Kuwait. Country from next week, the physical hiring of the case started. Education in Bihar, 43 forest range official was admitted. Sacraments in India, 70% recovery rate of patient. Environment. The Chipra, also known as Gishpra, is a river in Madhya Pradesh state of central India. The river rises in the north of Dhar district and flows north across the Malwa plateau to join the Chambal river at the MP Rajasthan boundary in Mandsaur district. It is one of the sacred rivers in Hinduism. Invention: an elevator or lift is a type of vertical transportation machine that moves people or freight between floors, levels, or decks of a building. Vehicles or other structure elevators are typically powered by electric motors that drive traction cables and counterweighting systems such as a hoist. Although some pump hydraulic fluid to raise a cylindrical piston like a jack in agriculture manufacturing, an elevator is a type of conveyor device used to lift materials in a continuous stream into bins or silos. Great person Guru Tegh Bahadur was born on 1st April 1621. He was the 9th of 10 Gurus of the Sikh religion. The Guru Granth Sahib contains 116 poetic hymns composed by him. The Guru resisted the forced conversions of the Hindu Kashmiri Pandits and non-Muslims to Islam and was policy killed in 1675 on the orders of Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb in Delhi for himself, refusing Mughal rulers and defying them. Gurudwara Sisganj Sahib and Gurudwara Rakabganj Sahib in Delhi marked the places of execution and cremation of the Guru's body. State. The history of Gujarat began with Stone Age settlements followed by Chalcolithic and Bronze Age settlements like Indus Valley civilizations. Gujarat's coastal cities, chiefly barrages, served as ports and trading centers in the Nanda, Maurya, Satyavahana and Gupta empires, as well as western Kshatrap's period. After the fall of the Gupta Empire in the 6th century, Gujarat flourished as an independent Hindu-Buddhist state. The Matraka dynasty descended from a Gupta general ruler from the 6th to 8th centuries from their capital at Vallabhi, although they were ruled briefly by Harsh during the 7th century. Crops. Visha fava, also known as the culinary sense as the board bean, fava bean or fava bean, is a species of flowering plant in the pea and bean family. Fabaceae. It is of uncertain origin and widely cultivated as a crop for human consumption. It is also used as cover crop. Fruits. Salak is a species of palm tree native to Java and Sumatra in Indonesia. It is cultivated in other regions of Indonesia as a food crop and reportedly naturalized in Bali, Lombok, Timor, Maluku and Slovakia. Flowers. Calotropis gigantea, the crown flower, is a species of Calotropis native to Cambodia, Bangladesh, Indonesia, Malaysia, the Philippines, Thailand, Sri Lanka, India, China and Pakistan, Nepal and tropical Africa. It is the large shrub growing to 4 meters tall. Yoga. Yams are ethical rules in Hinduism and can be thought as moral imperative. The 5 yams listed by Patanjali in Yoga Sutra. Niyam, the second component of Patanjali Yoga path in Niyam, which includes virtuous habits and observation. Sadhan. Pada verse 32 lists the Niyams as Universe. Mercury is the smallest and innermost planet in the solar system. Its orbit around the Sun takes 87.97 d is the shortest of all the planets in the solar system. It is named after the god Hermes. Translated into Latin, Mercury is Mercury, god of commerce, messenger of the gods, mediator between gods and mortals. Like Venus, Mercury orbits the Sun within Earth's orbit as an inferior planet, and its apparent distance from the Sun as viewed from Earth never exceeds 28 degrees. This proximity to the Sun means the planet can also be seen near the western horizon after sunset or eastern horizon before sunrise, usually in twilight. At this time, it may appear as a bright star-like object but is often far more difficult to observe than Venus. Maths. A theoretical proportion statement or formula embodying something to be proved from other proposition or formulas, a rule or law, especially one expressed by an equation or formula. Logic, a position that can be deduced from premises or assumption of a system. Ayurveda. Salacinilla bryghtoparasus is a lithophytic plant that is native to India. It is used medicinally in India and is one of the plants that is considered as candidate to be Sanjeevani plant. The popular name Sanjeevani translates as one that infuses life and derives from a plant that appears in the Ramayana. Other medicinal plants are also called Sanjeevani. Village town. Kishanganj is a city and district headquarters of Kishanganj district in Purnia division of Bihar state. Today's event 1645 Sweden and Denmark signed peace of Bros Emperor 1624. The King Louis 19 appointed Cardinal Richelieu as Prime Minister. 1920 Polish-Soviet War. The Battle of Warsaw begins and will last till August 25. The Red Army is defeated. 1937 Second Sino-Japanese War. The Battle of the Bhagavad Gita, often referred to as the Gita, is a 700-verse Hindu scripture that is a part of the epic Mahabharata, commonly dated to 2nd century BC. The Gita is set in a narrative framework of a dialogue between Pandav prince Arjuna and his guide and chartered Krishna. At the start, Dharma Yudh between Pandavas and Kauravas. Arjuna is filled with moral dilemma and despair about the violence and death the war will cause in the battle against his own kin. He wonders if he should renounce and seeks Krishna's counsel, whose ancient and discouraged constitute the Bhagavad Gita. Krishna counsels the Bhagavad Gita to fulfill his custodial duty to uphold the Dharma through selfless action. Today's temperature in Patna 30 degrees Celsius and in Delhi 29 degrees Celsius. Weather news in Madhya Pradesh, UP, Jharkhand. Possibility of rain. Today's food, that's all I take for tomorrow. Live, stay healthy, be happy. माँ भारती की जय.
ॐ द्यौः शान्तिरन्तरिक्ष ॐ शान्तिः पृथिवी शान्तिरापः शान्तिरोषधयः शान्तिः वनस्पतयः शान्तिर्विश्वे देवा शान्ति ब्रह्म शान्तिः सर्वगुण शान्ति शान्तिरेव शान्तिः सामा शान्तिरेधि ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः